Have you ever wondered how Netflix streams millions of videos, how banks process millions of transactions, or how AI applications run at massive scale? Behind these technologies are cloud engineers. Cloud engineering is one of the fastest-growing careers in technology, and companies around the world are looking for professionals who can build, manage, and secure cloud infrastructure. But here is the biggest question. How do you actually become a cloud engineer in 2026? What should you learn first? Should you start with AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud? Do you need programming? Which certifications matter? And how do you get your first job? In this video, I will show you a complete cloud engineer roadmap from beginner level to job-ready professional. Let's begin.
What does a cloud engineer do?
Before starting the roadmap, let's understand the role. A cloud engineer is responsible for designing, deploying, and maintaining cloud-based systems. Their work includes creating cloud servers, managing storage, configuring networks, improving security, automating infrastructure, monitoring applications. Cloud engineers work with platforms like Amazon Web Services (AWS), Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform (GCP). A simple example. Imagine a company launches a mobile app. Thousands of users join on the first day. The cloud engineer makes sure the application stays online. Servers can handle more users. Data is protected. Systems recover from failures. Now, let's look at the roadmap.
Phase 1. Learn computer and IT fundamentals.
The first mistake beginners make is jumping directly into cloud services. Cloud is built on traditional IT concepts. Before learning AWS or Azure, you need a strong foundation. Start with computer basics. Understand how computers work, CPU and memory, storage systems, servers, virtual machines. You should know the difference between a personal computer used by one person, a server, a powerful computer designed to provide services to many users. Networking fundamentals. Networking is one of the most important cloud skills. Learn IP addresses, DNS, HTTP and HTTPS, firewalls, routing, load balancing. Remember, the cloud is basically computers connected through networks. Without networking knowledge, cloud concepts become much harder. Operating systems. Learn both. Linux. Most cloud servers use Linux. Practice terminal commands, file permissions, installing software, managing processes. Windows Server. Important for enterprise environments.
Phase 2. Learn Linux and command line.
Linux is a must-have skill for cloud engineers. You should become comfortable with commands like ls,
cd, m, k, dir, cp, mv, c, h, mod,
ssh. Learn file management, how to create, move, and delete files. User management, how permissions and accounts work. Server administration, install applications, configure services, troubleshoot problems. A cloud engineer spends a lot of time working with Linux systems.
Phase 3. Learn cloud platform fundamentals.
Now it is time to enter the cloud world. Choose one cloud platform. Do not try to learn everything at once. The three major platforms are AWS, Amazon Web Services. Learn EC2 virtual servers, S3 storage, RDS databases, VPC networking, IAM security, Microsoft Azure. Learn Azure virtual machines, Azure storage, Azure Networking, Azure Identity, Google Cloud, Learn, Compute Engine, Cloud Storage, BigQuery, Kubernetes Engine.
Phase 4. Learn programming and automation.
Do cloud engineers need programming? Yes, but you do not need to become a software developer. You need programming for automation. Learn.
Python.
Used for automation scripts, cloud APIs, managing resources. For example, instead of manually creating 100 servers, Python can automate the process. Bash scripting. Used for Linux automation, server management. PowerShell. Useful for Microsoft Azure environments.
Phase 5. Learn infrastructure as code.
Modern cloud engineers do not manually create infrastructure. They use infrastructure as code. The most popular tool, Terraform. Terraform allows you to create cloud resources using code. For example, instead of clicking through a cloud dashboard to create servers, networks, databases, you write a configuration file and create everything automatically. Benefits: faster deployment, fewer mistakes, easy scaling.
Phase 6. Learn containers and DevOps. Modern applications are built using containers. Learn.
Docker.
Understand. Containers, images,
Docker files.
Docker makes applications run consistently everywhere. Kubernetes. Kubernetes manages large numbers of containers. Learn.
Pods.
Deployments, services,
Scaling.
CI/CD. Learn automation pipelines using GitHub Actions, Jenkins.
GitLab CI.
CI/CD helps companies automatically test and deploy applications.
Phase 7. Build real cloud projects. This is the most important step. Watching tutorials is not enough. You need projects. Here are beginner-friendly cloud projects.
Project 1. Deploy a website.
Build.
A simple website hosted on AWS/Azure/GCP.
Connect to domain.
Skills: hosting, storage, networking. Project 2. Build a cloud server.
Create.
Linux virtual machine, web server, security rules. Skills: Linux, cloud management. Project 3. Automate infrastructure. Use Terraform to create virtual machines, networks, storage. Skills: infrastructure as code.
Phase 8. Certifications and job preparation.
Certifications can help prove your knowledge. Beginner certifications are AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. Good introduction to AWS. Microsoft Azure Fundamentals AZ 900. Good starting point for Azure. Google Cloud Digital Leader. Introduction to Google Cloud. After gaining experience, AWS Solutions Architect Associate, Azure Administrator Associate, Google Associate Cloud Engineer. How to get your first cloud job. Your first role may not have Cloud Engineer in the title. Look for Cloud Support Associate, System Administrator, IT Support Engineer, Junior DevOps Engineer, Network Administrator. Build GitHub Portfolio, LinkedIn Profile, Cloud Projects, Certification History. Employers want proof that you can solve real problems. Becoming a cloud engineer is not about memorizing hundreds of cloud services. It is about understanding how computers work, how networks communicate, how applications run, how infrastructure is automated, how systems stay secure. The roadmap is simple. IT fundamentals, Linux, cloud platform, programming, Terraform,
Docker.
Kubernetes,
Projects.
certification.
Job.
If you enjoyed this roadmap, like the video, subscribe, and follow for more. AI, cloud computing, AWS, Azure, and technology career guides. See you in the next video. Happy learning!